In this video, we're going to show you to install the map sensor on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located behind the throttle body. Once you have your hood open, go ahead and lift up on the engine cover here. And when you lift this up, you are separating the little plastic mounts from these little rubber bushings here. Go ahead and set that aside. Now our map sensor is back here behind the throttle body. And to gain access to it, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this vacuum hose right here. I'm gonna simply pull this out. And I'm gonna go ahead in here and remove that little rubber elbow. And then I'll reinstall that on my vacuum here. Now on the map sensor, there's an electrical connector on the back side of it. So you gotta reach in there. You're gonna press down on the little tab, and the little tab I'm talking about is right here. You're gonna press down on that and just pull the connector off. Now the map sensor itself, tuck that wire aside there. Now the map sensor itself just rotates. You're gonna push that to the back, and then you'll have to try and use two hands. Get back there, and once it goes facing back, it'll get to a point where you can pop it up and out. Now if you still can't get it to pop out, there's just a little rubber O-ring holding that there, so you can use a long flathead screwdriver or another tool to go ahead and pop that out. Here we go. Doesn't take much. And tip it off to the side, and you'll be able to pull that out. And there it is. And go ahead and put your sensor back here. And when you install that, you have to make sure that the electrical connector portion of it is facing the firewall. You're gonna drop that down inside, and you'll feel it pop in. And then go ahead and rotate that. Once it's positioned all the way around, go ahead and take your electrical connector and reinstall that. Push it on. You're gonna feel it and hear it click into place. Now ours had a little plastic retainer, but that is broken. So you can just tuck that wire down, and then we'll reinstall our vacuum port behind the throttle body here. Line up the engine cover with the plastic studs positioned in various locations. You reach underneath and line up that front one here. Once that front one's lined up, you'll feel it pop in, push it down. Now once you have your engine cover on, if you have any check engine lights, you want to go ahead and clear that code now, then go ahead and go for a road test. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.